episode of Fribations, coming at you from New York City, my bar near World Trade Center where I work. Today we are going to be making a Habanero Orange Old Fashioned using our Habanero Orange syrup. So delicious, pretty spicy. So this is a recipe for you spicy lovers. All right, so let's get right down to it. We're gonna start with a little drizzle of the syrup. You see that in there? It's spicy, so use at your own discretion. Then we're going to coat that syrup with the bitters. Put maybe 4 or 5 dashes in there. We're gonna swirl that around. Next, we're going to pop in our cherries. Well, cherries, singular. These are maraschinos. You can use cocktail cherries if you would like. And then we're going to throw in a little orange slice to complement the syrup. Then you're gonna take your muddler, just give it a light muddle. Not too much, just a little bit. Stir that around. All right, then you're going to fill your glass with a little bit of ice. And for the most important part, we're using Evan Williams bourbon. You can use any kind that you might want. Just throw about 2 ounces in there. Then we're gonna take some straws, stir it up, and you are all done. Woo! Spicy. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week back in the Simple Kitchen.